Make sure that the switch is off. Okay, it says off. Terrible, isn't it?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
And here's what we got out of it. We got a little flywheel that gets pushed around by the air. It's on both sides, just gets turned around. We got a motor swinging everything around. And we got the plug that goes into it. Not much that we got out of here. And somewhere in the bag there should be a little switch. Somewhere in here there's a little switch. Ah, here it is. Here's the little switch that they used. Which has 3 modes. High, low, and off. Yeah, here's pretty much everything that we got out of it.